Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
That is right. You do not need thousands of words to speak English. You just need the right words and the confidence to use them. Today, we are going to practice exactly that. No grammar charts, no stress. Hello, and welcome back to Dave English Podcast. I am Dave, and this is the place where we learn English together, one step at a time. If you are new here, I am really happy you found this channel. Today's lesson is very special. We are going to talk about something that surprises a lot of English learners. You do not need a big vocabulary to speak English. You just need to know how to use what you already have. So let's get started. Before we continue, if you are finding this helpful, please click the subscribe button. It only takes 1 second, and it helps this channel grow. New videos come out every week, so you never want to miss one. Okay, let's go. Let me ask you something. You wake up, you eat breakfast, you go to work or school, you talk to people, you come home, you rest. Now think about the words you used today. How many different words did you really use? Not that many, right? That is because everyday life uses everyday words. Simple words like go, eat, want, need, feel, have, work, talk, see, and know. These are the words that do most of the work in English. Studies show that just 300 to 500 common words cover most of what. That means if you know 500 words and you know how to use them, you can communicate in English. You can buy things at a store. You can ask for help. You can make friends. So the goal today is not to learn new words. The goal is to practice using the words you already know. Now let's talk about sentences. A lot of beginners think English sentences have to be long and complicated, but they do not. Look at these sentences. I go to work. I eat food. I feel tired. I need help. I want water. These sentences are short. They are simple, and they are perfect. A native English speaker says sentences like these every single day. There is nothing wrong with simple sentences. Simple is good. Simple is clear. Simple works. Let me show you a simple pattern that you can use right now. The pattern is I plus a verb plus something. I go to the store. I eat at home. I work every day. I talk to my friend. I sleep at 10. You see how easy that is. You just need a verb, and a little bit of information. That is it. Now let's add one more word to make it even better. Let's add a time word. I go to the store in the morning. I eat at home at night. I work every day from Monday to Friday. I talk to my friend on the weekend. I sleep at 10 every night. Now your sentence has more information, but it is still very simple. You are not thinking about grammar rules. You are just adding words that make sense. This is how real English works. You build it piece by piece. Now let's think about real life. I want you to imagine some everyday situations. Listen to how simple the English is in each one. Imagine you walk into a coffee shop. You go to the counter. You look at the menu. You want a hot coffee, so you say, "Hi, can I have a hot coffee, please? Medium size. Thank you." That is it. Just a few simple words. Hot coffee, Medium size, please. Thank you. You did not need a long sentence. You did not need perfect grammar. You just said what you needed, and it worked. Now imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. You smile. You say, "Hi, my name is David. Nice to meet you. I am from Brazil. I am learning English." 5 simple sentences, all short, all clear, and now that person knows your name, where you are from, and that you are learning English. That is a real introduction using simple words. Now imagine you are lost and you need directions. You stop someone on the street and you say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for the train station." 3 sentences, very simple and very useful. The person will understand you perfectly. These are real situations, real English, and all of it uses simple, everyday words. Now it is time to practice. I am going to read some sentences out loud. Listen carefully to each one. Think about the meaning. Say it in your mind. Then try saying it on your own when you feel ready. There is no pressure here. Just listen, think, and practice at your own pace. I go to work every day. I eat breakfast in the morning. I need help. Please. I feel happy today. Can I have a coffee, please? Where is the train station? My name is David. Nice to meet you. I am learning English every day. I understand a little. Thank you very much. These are 10 simple sentences. All of them are useful in real life. Read them again later. Think about when you could use each one. And when you get a chance, try saying them out loud on your own. That is when the real practice happens. Now I want to talk to you directly for a moment. A lot of English learners are afraid to speak. They are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid that people will not understand them. They worry about using the wrong word or saying something incorrectly. I want you to hear this clearly. Mistakes are okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Native English speakers make mistakes. Teachers make mistakes. I make mistakes. Mistakes are not a problem. Mistakes are part of learning. Every single mistake is a step forward. When you speak English, the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be understood. If someone understands what you are saying, you succeeded. It does not matter if your grammar was perfect. It does not matter if you forgot a word. What matters is that you communicated. Think about this. You understand them perfectly, right? That is what communication is. Clear messages between people. So please, do not wait until your English is perfect before you start speaking. Start speaking now. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Make mistakes. Learn from them. And keep going. The people who learn English fastest are not the ones who study the most. They are the ones who practice speaking the most. Even when they make mistakes. Even when they feel nervous, they just keep talking. You can do that too. Now I have a question for you, and I really want to know your answer. Leave it in the comments below. What are 5 English words you use every day? It can be anything. Hello. Thank you. Sorry. I need. I want. Whatever words you use most, write them in the comments. And try to write one short sentence using one of those words. For example, write yours below. I read every comment, and I love hearing from you. It also helps other learners to see your answer. So you are helping the whole community when you share. Let me quickly go over what we talked about. You do not need thousands of words to speak English. Around 500 common words are enough for most daily conversations. Real situations use real simple language, and the most important thing is to speak, even if you make mistakes. Even 5 minutes is enough. Think about the sentences from today. Use them when you meet someone new. Every day that you practice, you get a little better. It really is that simple. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. It helps this channel grow, and it tells me that you want more lessons like this one. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do it now. Thank you so much for watching Dave English Podcast. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.